Graham Stephan, a well-known personal finance expert, advocates several effective strategies for making money. Number one, budgeting. Create a detailed budget that tracks your income and expenses. All right, this is going to help identify areas where you can cut back. All right, number two, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or, your investment account right after you get paid. This ensures that you save before you spend. Number three, live below your means. So avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more, it doesn't mean you should spend more. Focus on maintaining a modest lifestyle. You'll see how much you'll save after that. Number four, reduce fixed expenses. All right? So basically shop around for better deals on, recurring costs like insurance, utilities, subscriptions, and negotiate whenever possible. Number five, cook at home. Minimize dining out. Prepare home cooked meals. Meal planning can help you save both time and money. Number six, use cash for discretionary spending. So withdraw a certain amount of cash for non-essential purchases. And this is going to really help you to, be more aware of your financial services. Number seven, invest wisely. Start investing early. Take small amounts to take advantage of compound interest. Consider low-cost index funds or long-term growth, for long-term growth, sorry. By adopting these strategies, you can effectively save and grow your wealth over time.